Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 9th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So last night in my PM video, price was right around here, and I had my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. I said that there was no break of structure, no significant high or low, so there's a very good chance that this move up is probably going to go down again, and that's exactly what happened. So if you've been watching my videos, you've probably been getting some pretty nice little entries on gold. If we go up to the 4 hour time frame, we are now sitting at the 61%. I am definitely still expecting this to be a wave A, and this to be a wave B, and this possibly to go up for a wave C, likely all the way up to, at least a high of wave A and probably even the top of this box or beyond. Is the 61% going to be the level that holds? I think there's a good chance it is. The only thing that's really going to prove that to me is seeing prices do this, because there's always a chance that it pushes down to the 78%. So, like I said, the only thing that's going to prove to me 100% that this is the end of a correction is seeing the end of this trend for the wave C right here. So if we do have an ABC correction, we identify the end of an ABC by seeing the end of a trend for the wave C. So seeing a break of structure is what's going to prove to be that we really are back into the uptrend for the bigger wave C. So if you see the break of structure, definitely switch back up to logs. Even if you do see price go up, until you see that break of structure, you have to keep in mind that it could make another lower high and it could push down to a lower Fibonacci level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.